Hey guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly what is Forex Duality. Forex Duality is the brand new Forex trading system created by the one and only Adrian Jones. This system is perfect for new traders just getting started with Forex, and it's a powerful tool in the hands of experienced ones as well. This might not be for everybody, but if you are searching for a way to build wealth and ultimately become financially independent, then I invite you to learn how many people are achieving it with Forex Duality. So keep watching, you will not regret it. If you are wondering who is Adrian Jones, Adrian Jones is a master trader that has over 30 years of global Forex trading experience. He's one of Australia's foremost experts on currency trading and is ready to teach you the skills, tools, and discipline of a successful veteran trader. So if you're ready, I am ready. Let's begin. Think about it, if you can. Take 4 potentially profitable trades in the same amount of time other traders barely manage one. With a system that is 95% to 90%, 98% accurate. With 9 levels of instant onboard confirmation, no more tabbing through charts. And no less than 4 completely new, never before seen proprietary indicators that do everything from calculating trend motion and volume in seconds. No more complex math. To showing you with pinpoint accuracy exactly where to place your stop loss on all 4 trades. No more bleeding out from lost trades. 4 defined trading modes depending on the market's moves and your trading style. No more one-size-fits-all trading. On any time frame, with any currency pair, in any market session. Trade when you want, how you want. Now, let's take a look at what you will get if you get in Forex Duality. Remember, Forex Duality is only available for 300 Forex traders that act fast. So do it right now. Lesson plan number 1. In here, Adrian Jones will walk through every aspect of how Forex Duality works and assume that no one has ever traded before, and take you from beginner to installing the different things you need on your chart to make the magic happen. Lesson plan number 2. During these lessons, you will learn how each individual part of Forex Duality works, what each indicator does, why they are arranged as they are, and why you have to pay attention to the color system he devised. By the time you finish this section, you should be able to attach the template to any chart, understand how all the indicators work, and be ready to start trading. To be one of the 300 people who becomes one of the Castle Inner Circle, all you have to do is enter the first link in the description. Lesson plan number 3. Once you have finished the lessons in this section, you might not be able to sleep. This is where he will teach you the rules of the system and how they are applied. You will learn all the different types of trades used and when you should use them. The market is not the same all the time, and that's why there are 4 different types of trades: sniper method, caliber method, guerrilla method, and blitzkrieg method. I would like to explain how each of these types of trades works, but unfortunately, that information is only for the lead 300 people who get a copy of Forex Duality. Lesson plan number 4. This is where you get to watch Adrian Jones himself trade Forex Duality live. At this stage, you should be gaining confidence in the system and trying a few trades by yourself. But what exactly is Duality Dashboard? Remember at the beginning I said this system was for beginners because it was so easy to do it? Well, he spent over $50,000 programming a highly sophisticated trade assistant called the Duality Dashboard. This is like having an army of highly trained traders silently waiting and hiding for the right trade. It never rests, it never makes a mistake, and it's always right. They designed it so that all you have to do is glance at the colors to see if they are in the right order, and that will tell you if you can take a trade. Every trade you make should be perfect because the software never makes a mistake. It is color-coded to make it easy to see at a glance if you are ready for a trade. If you like to trade manually, it can confirm what you are thinking. And it can find trades you might have otherwise missed. Yes, I know this video is turning into a book, but I just get so excited when I talk about Forex Duality and how it can help many new Forex traders. But time is running out. If you want to be one of the 300 personally trained traders, just enter the first link in the description. If you want to make maximum profits in minimum time, join here in the first link in the description. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.